In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a powerful collaboration platform which, among its many features, allows users to create and insert tables directly into their pages. Whether you're organizing data, planning out tasks, or just trying to keep information neatly aligned, adding a table to your Loop page can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the simple steps needed to achieve this. To start, you'll need to access your Microsoft Loop workspace. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Microsoft Loop website and log in with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace. This is where all your Loop pages and documents live. Once you're in your workspace, the next step is to go into the specific page where you want to insert the table. Microsoft Loop pages are versatile, allowing for text, images, and of course tables to be inserted seamlessly. Now you'll need to find an empty text field in your page. This could be anywhere you have space or wherever you decide your table fits best. Click on this empty text field to make sure you are ready to insert your table there. Here's where the magic happens. Type in /table directly into this text field. This is a shortcut command in Microsoft Loop that prompts the app to offer you table insertion options. It's a quick and effortless way to get to the feature you need without navigating through menus. After typing /table, you'll see a small pop-up or an option that explicitly says table. Click on this option. Immediately, a table will be inserted into your Loop page at the location of your text cursor. From there, you can adjust the table properties such as the number of rows and columns, depending on what your specific needs are. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a table to your Microsoft Loop page. From here, you can start filling it with whatever data or information you need to organize. The table function in Loop is straightforward but powerful, allowing you to customize as you see fit. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Microsoft Loop and its features like inserting tables, the more efficient you'll become at leveraging this tool for your collaboration needs. I hope this guide has been helpful. Experiment with tables in your Loop pages and see how they can help improve your organization and presentation of information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye out for more helpful tutorials.